Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikant. Today I will explain about roundup DAX function for various data. See this here. This is roundup DAX function syntax. Roundup a number, comma, number of digits, number digits. Okay, let's check this DAX function in for various data. See this here. Now I'm already prepared some data. Now I'm click new column. Type here round up. Okay. Once you read this, round a number up comma away from 0. Okay, now I'm press next to I'm typing my table name. I added my column name. Okay, next number of digits. See this here. Once you check this, roundup is a function of number, so particular in this number place adding my numbers column and number of digits. I wanted to show only one. Okay, let's check this DAX function. See this here. Okay, now I'm now showing 20.1 and 3.30.3. It's automatically round up the values. Okay, this is round up DAX function in Power BI desktop.